Hi, honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Getting ready to fix some hot dogs. Chili dogs for me. Walter just want hot dogs. I don't want no chili on his. And I'm making some of these steak touch fries. You want fries, Walter? Okay. So I'm going to use my CruxGG Trizone air fryer. Okay. Okay, let me lower this so y'all can see how I cut these hot dogs. Using the Oscar Mayer bun length beef Angus hot dogs. I don't know if they said hot dogs are Franks, but they're all beef. So I always cut them. See what I'm doing? I just slice them like this. I don't go all the way through. Cut them at an angle. My sugar readings have been good. I mainly snack on popcorn. I keep some popcorn popped. And I think it has carbs, but at least I ain't eating all the other junk that I usually eat. So my sugar has been staying level. So I'm happy about that. And that new metformin ER pill I take once a day is fine. I don't have any problems with it. That's the way this basket looks. So I put hot dogs on one side and the fries on the other. Oh, I just broke that. That'd be Walter's. I'm just playing. This is where I cut them. Like that. A little slit to them. Okay. I don't like my hands to be nasty. I love steak fries. And still, I just want maybe 3 or 4. This is what they look like. Big fries. They get crispy on the outside. And they're nice and soft and fluffy on the inside. That should be enough for both of us. Spraying the fries. You see what I'm doing? Putting some pepper. And some salt. Don't put too much. That's where this looks in here. Dual mode, left side, air fry. Almost, the time is down here. It's set for 20 minutes. I'm gonna set it for 15. And for the right side, do the same thing. Air fry, set the time for 15 minutes. And start. Okay, so I'll be back. Is that on? Yeah, okay. It stopped. I stopped the first side about 5 minutes ago because it took longer for the fries to cook. Plug it. Where's, I'll get the broken one. I broke one. That the broke? Yeah. That's good. One more. The water's still in here. Hot dogs in there. It's the same color as the bottom. Let's go over here. I want a little bit of chili. Why do I want no chili, dog? I like stuff like this. I got cheese on the bun. So I don't think that y'all see me. Taste this. Come on. Use some ketchup. See, I keep popcorn made. That's my snack. Just did this before. Oh, I don't want all that. Look at it. Throw it up the top. Okay. Give me the fork. I need a thumbnail. I'll take this out. Okay, here's my chili. There's cheese under the hot dog, so a chili cheese dog. Steak fries, some ketchup. So I may or may not be hungry later. This should do the trick. I got salad in the refrigerator and I got some watermelon in a bowl. That should tide me over. Okay, here's my chili cheese dogs and my fries. And I ain't about to taste nothing in front of the camera. It's too sloppy. But I already know it's good. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. You all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay. Bye. Bon appetit.